some accessories from Telesin that work really well with the GoPro or any other action camera or phones or whatever. And these are things that will help you get shots like this. How cool is this?
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. So if you're new here, don't be a stranger. Links to these products and a lot more will be found down in the description, plus some coupon codes to save you some money and a surprise link. So the first one I'm going to show you is the Skateboard Mount. I mean, there's probably a lot more you can use with this, and it comes with another attachment, so you can clamp this on the side of your board, and it will give you a front and back view. There is a really good rubber grip in here so that you don't have to worry about messing up your boards, but you just clamp it down and you get cool shots like this. And I love to skateboard with my dog, and it's really cool that I can capture shots like that. It comes in under $13 and even less with my coupon code, so it's pretty awesome, and it comes in very handy for me. The next accessory I want to share with you is something that I think is a must-have accessory. I am always a big fan of clamps, but this one comes in around $25 with my discount code, and they call it a handlebar mount, but there is so many more uses for this because you can clamp it on any kind of pole or railing that it will fit. And just looking at the clamp, it has a bionic crab claw design with really good rubber grips, and even comes with an extra rubber attachment to fit smaller, thinner poles. The clamp is extremely strong and super easy to adjust, and the next part of it is the dual ball head magic arm. This gives you the ability to mount your camera either with screw thread or action mount, but then also makes it easy to adjust in a 360-degree rotation. And with this tightening mechanism, it makes it very easy to tighten or loosen, and it's not going to move. It has an aluminum alloy ball head plus anti-slip rubber rings, which just makes it strong, stable, firm, and keeps it from shaking in any motion. This is something that's perfect for when you just want to set up your camera somewhere to be able to talk to it, but more so for those time lapses. The next thing on this list is this underwater handle. Funny thing is, I don't really do underwater stuff too much. I do have some plans when it gets warmer, but I've been using this as a handheld stabilizer. I'll explain that in a second, but first let me just say that this thing is made of strong aluminum alloy, which is also very lightweight. You have these real comfortable to hold silicone handles. They are easy to grip and not slip. There are 2 cold shoe mounts on the top, 5 different quarter thread mounts, 2 3/8 thread mounts, and spots for your remotes, lights, mics, magic arms, tripods, monitors, and really anything that you need. And so I've been using it as a handheld stabilizer. So on this cruise ship, I'm going around getting some cool shots, but a lot of them are nighttime shots, low light shots. So I don't have any kind of stabilizers, and I want to have some big lights. So I'm able to put my big camera on here. I could also use an action camera and turn off hyper smooth, but putting my big camera on here, I'm able to just hold it with 2 hands. I have 2 big lights mounted on the top, and I can just wander around and get some really great shots. And last but not least, I have a big pole from Telesin. It's 3 meters long. It has a screw thread mount on the top. It also comes with an action camera mount if you need to use an action camera, and also a screw thread on the bottom. I mean, I guess you can also add another one of these and make it even longer. It is made with carbon fiber, so it's very lightweight and strong, and there's 9-stage telescoping, which means it extends very far, but also doesn't bend too much so that you don't see it in your shots. Like, check this out. You cannot see that pole in my hand. You could see it there in the shadow, but it's not in my hands. But this is great when you have those hard to reach shots or those impossible shots, but more so if you have a 360 camera, you can get some insane, amazing shots, almost like drone shots. So on cruise ships, you can't bring a drone, but I can put my 360 camera out on a 3-meter pole and I get shots like this. But a very important thing that I love about this is it has a built-in hand strap. This gives you that safety net, that extra protection, so that when you're holding it out over water or something like this, you don't have to worry about it falling out of your hands, getting knocked off. That strap will keep it in your hands. But best of all, the price. It comes in under $45 using my discount code. And that is a great price for this. So there you have it. Those are 4 really cool accessories from Telesin that I wanted to share with you today. And speaking of Telesin, I have some really big stuff coming up, some giveaways. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.